In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master the art of recording within Clickup using the incredibly handy clip feature. This tool is perfect for capturing screen recordings or audio recordings efficiently, making communication and project management both seamless and effective. Let's dive into the steps to get you recording like a pro in no time. First, you'll want to access the recording feature within Clickup. There are several pathways you can take to get started. If you're navigating from the Clips Hub, simply open up ClickUp and head over to the Clips Hub. Once there, look for the New Clip button and give it a click. Alternatively, if you prefer working from a task, you can locate this feature within a task comment. Look for the video icon or any button that allows you to create a clip. It's pretty straightforward. Now, if you're a fan of the Quick Action menu, you can go that way too. Open up the menu, find Click Apps, and enable Clip Screen Recording. After that, slide over to the Clips tab to launch your recording. Now, let's choose the type of recording you need. If you're opting for a screen recording, you can select to capture your entire screen, a specific window, or maybe just your current tab. Whatever suits your needs best. Planning to narrate or need to capture some sound? Ensure your microphone is selected, and take a moment to tweak any audio settings to get the best sound quality. Once you have your setup ready, it's time to hit Start Recording. You can begin capturing your screen or audio with some handy controls at your disposal. You'll see a toolbar, and from there you can pause, restart, or stop the recording whenever necessary. It's designed to offer flexibility, so use it as needed to capture your content perfectly. After stopping the recording, no need to worry about saving manually, as the clip is automatically uploaded for you. The final step? Sharing and using your clip. As soon as your recording ends, it will pop open in a new tab. From here, you'll have options to download it directly to your device or copy a shareable link. It's fantastic for team collaborations, or if you need to demonstrate something to someone outside your workspace. You can even embed the clip directly in a task within ClickUp, making it easy to revisit or distribute to your team. And there you have it, a straightforward process to record, manage, and share your clips in ClickUp. With these steps, you'll communicate your ideas more effectively, keep your team updated, and enhance your overall workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.